Hi sir, good day. Admiralty sailing direction, the first topic. Sailing direction are updated by a process of continuous revision, with titles republished as new editions at approximately 3 yearly intervals. Some volumes indicated in the catalog of Admiralty charts and publication are on an extended cycle of approximately 5 years. Some usually older editions of sailing direction continue to be amended by supplements. Supplements are generally published every 4 years. They are cumulative in nature so that each supplement on publication replaces its predecessors and any section for notice extends since either publication of the most recent edition or since the previous supplement in entirety. So, to determine the current edition of sailing direction and the latest supplements, if applicable, and for information regarding the publication dates of new edition, see Annual Notices to Mariners Part 2, Amendments to Sailing Direction. This information can also be found in Catalog of Admiralty Charts and Publication. Admiralty List of Lights and Fog Signals. Direction for updating. Each edition of the Admiralty List of Lights and Fog Signals contains the latest information received by the OCHA and supersedes the previous edition. Subsequent updates to each book will be included in Section 5 of the weekly edition of Admiralty Notices to Mariners. The insertion of weekly amendments should be recorded in the table in the front of each volume. The amendments which accumulate during the book printing period will be found in Section 5 of the weekly edition of Admiralty Notice to Mariners, which announces the publication of the new edition. A cut-out new edition note is pasted into the new edition first amendments box. New and extensively altered entries are intended to be pasted in. It is recommended that a manuscript entry is made for all shorter amendments. Let's move on for the third topic. Admiralty List of Radio Signals. Direction for updating. Each edition of the Admiralty List of Radio Signals contains the latest information received by the OCHA and supersedes the previous editions. The insertion of weekly amendments should be recorded in the table at the front of each volume. The amendments which accumulate during the book printing period will be found in Section 6 of the weekly edition of Admiralty Notices to Mariners, which announces the publication of the new edition. A cut-out new edition note is pasted into the new edition first amendment box. New and extensively altered entries are intended to be pasted in, and it is recommended that a manuscript entry is made for all shorter amendments. How about miscellaneous publication? The last one topic. These are hydrographic publications other than sailing directions. Some of them are used together with nautical charts, and some other are used independently. They describe various data and information useful for navigation, such as condition of passage, aids to navigation, tidal and current predictions at main ports and narrow straits, astronomical positions of planets and fixed stars necessary for fixing ship's position.